In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in on Slack. We'll be using the Google sign in option, which is one of the fastest and easiest ways to access your Slack workspace. If you already use Google for work or personal accounts, this method can save time and make the login process very smooth. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Slack homepage. Once the page loads, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in option there. Click on sign in to move to the login page. On the sign in screen, Slack will give you a few different ways to access your account. For this walkthrough, choose the Google option. Click on Google to continue. This tells Slack that you want to log in using your Google account instead of entering your Slack credentials manually. After that, you'll be taken to the Google sign-in page. If you're already signed in to one or more Google accounts in your browser, you'll see a list of available accounts. Click on the account you want to use for Slack. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple Google accounts open, because Slack will sign you in based on the account you choose. Once you've selected the account, you may see a confirmation screen asking you to continue. Click Continue to allow the sign-in process to move forward. This step connects your Google account to Slack for authentication, so Slack can verify that you're authorized to access the workspace. After you click Continue, Slack will finish the login process and redirect you back into your account. At that point, you are now logged in and ready to use Slack. If the page doesn't load right away, just give it a few seconds, since redirects between Google and Slack can sometimes take a moment. Also, if you accidentally choose the wrong Google account, you can simply go back and repeat the process with the correct one. That's all it takes to sign in on Slack using Google. Start by going to the Slack homepage, click Sign in, choose Google, select your account, click Continue, and you'll be logged in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.